Yo, it's your boy Cash, and we back with another video. So today's video is sponsored by Spoview. Now, I've done a video on this company in the past when they dropped a classic camo brush. Since then, they have released numerous brushes and numerous series of Durags, alright? They sent your boy a box with a Disco Velvet series and their Smile Cash Maker series of Durags, alright? Not to mention, they also sent me a curve brush along with a palm brush. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. We back. Alright, so I'm gonna get ahead and show y'all the two series of Durags that they sent me. First series is called the Disco Velvet series, all right? And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. When I got the box and I opened up these velvet Durags, when I touched it, I didn't even know it was velvet. The quality of it though was crazy. I was like, what? I was like, yo, what is this? Went through the Durags and stuff, I realized that it was velvet, but the material and the quality is crazy. Like, it's crazy, all right? So they sent your boy 4-day Disco Velvet Durags, and they sent your boy the wave caps to match with it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Kind of reminds me of like a Pac-Man kind of thing going on here. Got the cannabis on there and stuff like that, but it kind of got that Pac-Man thing. The strings is mad long, they extra long, all right? But the material is crazy, and I don't even think the camera does the material any justice, all right? And then this is what the inside look like right here. To mention, they got the wave cap to match. So you can either rock the Durag or you can actually rock the wave cap, okay? So this is what the wave cap look like. I want to get and show y'all something about these wave caps because this wave cap here is exclusive. I ain't never seen nothing like this. All right, so inside their wave caps, this is called an anti-slip strip. All right, anti-slip strip. So basically, what this is going to do is going to stop the wave cap from coming off your head while you sleep or doing any other recreational activity or anything of that nature. All right, so this is a game changer right here. This is definitely a game changer. I ain't never seen a wave cap that had a non-slip strip in it to keep it from coming off your head. Elasticity of the band, right, helps keep it on your head. Then you also got the strip in here that's gonna keep it from slipping off while you're sleeping. It don't get no better than that. But let's move on to the other Disco Velvet Durags. So the other Durag they got is this design right here. Wave cap that also has the disco strip. Okay. Disco matching wave cap. I actually like this one. I really like this one. These wave caps have the non-slip strips in them. They keep it from coming off your head. Pop. Whatever, like some superhero type thing. Look like some, I don't know, almost like some Wonder Woman kind of theme type joint. Just got that kind of look to it. And then this is the Durag that matches it right here. Next, we have the Silky Durags. This series of Durags is called the Smile Maker Cash series, all right? So we're gonna get ahead and take a look at that. Here's a look at the other Durag series that Spoview offers. Now we're gonna get into the brushes. All right, so the boy got a handle brush and your boy got a palm brush. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. This is a medium brush. And the vanilla bristles are soft bristles, okay? So that's what the brush look like. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick that back in there, all right? and it fits in there perfect. It's actually really, you can tell it's really made for this brush. Here we have the case. I want to show y'all an assortment of different brushes that will fit inside the case. You sit up there, you hit the button on the side, it opens up the case. All right, you have your space right here for the handles. So here I have a Torino Pro brush, okay, Torino Pro, and I'm gonna show you how it sits in there, right, with no problem. Boom, Torino Pro's in there. You go ahead and close it, and it's closed. All right, so the Torino Pro brush fits in the case. All right, let's try a different brush. I have one of the new CQP brushes, also known as the new 360 Sport Wave brush. All right, 360 Sport Wave brush. All right, fits in it, no problem. It's in the case. All right. And I want to also demonstrate two palm brushes of two different styles. So we got the new CQPs right here, okay? Now this one is not fully like oval. As you can see, it's not fully oval. It got kind of like a squared off on the ends. It's not really pointed, but this brush fits in there as well. It's in there. Boom, okay? Hit the button, open it up, pull the brush out. I have one of the palm brushes from Torino Pro, okay? It's one of my older ones. See the sticker coming off. The palm Torino Pro brushes will not fit in the case, okay? The palm ones, at least this series of brushes, I don't know if it's changed, but these will not fit. I mean, they fit, but they don't fit. As y'all can see, it's in there, but it's not all the way seated. Oh, there you go. Okay, so there you go. Let's see if it closes. See, it's smashing the bristles right there. Yeah, so this particular brush wood is not a good look for this brush. Okay, so that shit is sliding all over. So that won't fit. All right, but if you have a Spoview brush, you have one of the new 360 Sport Wave brushes, whether it's a palm brush or if it's a handle brush, all right, both of those will fit. And if you have the curved brush Torino Pros, that will also fit. So here's a look at some of the other brushes that Spoview offer labeled with their series. Here's a look at some of the wave kit bags that you can purchase through Spoview. Spoview also offers storage boxes for your wave brushes and your wave product. Here's some of the storage boxes Spoview offers. Y'all done seen everything, all right? So that's Spoview, all right? That's their full lineup. That's their series of Durags, their series of brushes, their series of wave bags, and their series of storage boxes, all right? Links will be down in the description. If y'all interested, go ahead and go check them out. The quality is really good. Like I said, they're taking the wave game by storm. They've been in business since 2001. I just found out about them about 2 years ago, and I definitely give my stamp of approval on their products, all right? It's your boy Cash. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.